Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best Jamaican banana bread. This is an original recipe which I've been using from like 16 years old. Very effective, and I'll take you through the process. So stay tuned. So to make this delicious banana bread, the first thing you need to do, gather all your ingredients, get your pan all sorted out. Today I'm using 2 of these. So after you get all your pans and your ingredient sorted out, measure them up, put them aside. Get your oven. At the moment, if you hear any noise in the background, it's just the oven on. Preheat your oven to about 150 degrees to 200 degrees until you put your banana bread or your cakes in it. So here I have ripe banana here. I have eggs, sugar, flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. It's already sieved, and I'm using some cooking oil. You can use some vegetable oils or olive oil. And in here I have some nutmeg with some mixed spice, some cinnamon, bicarbonate, and in this here I have a bit of Himalaya salt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bicarbonate and I'm going to add it to the flour. So then I'm going to get the cinnamon, the nutmeg. So I'm putting all the dry ingredients together. Just get yourself a spoon or a fork and just combine them together, mix them in together like this. So I'm going to set this aside. So at this point, you need to get your banana going. So I'm going to put them in the blender. So I'm just going to break them. You can just break them like this. Just let it easier for the blender. You don't have to do it like this. You can just put it in a mixer, but this is a easier way to do it. Get a much better result. Even the eggs, just add the eggs straight in. So the next thing, I'm going to go in with the oil. Let's pour the oil in. And then you're going to add your milk in. And then you're going to add about quarter or half of the sugar in this. So you leave the rest. Then we're going to start the blending process. Pop your lid on. The reason why I do this, it's much easier. As you can see, look at that. It's already getting smooth. You need a smooth consistency. That is done now. So with this now, you take the liquid you blend, pour it straight in your mixing bowl. Rest of sugar, just add it in. At this point, I'm using a whisk. So go ahead, put your whisk on. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to dissolve the rest of the sugar. So I'm going to put it on about number 2. I'm gonna reduce the speed now, and then add the flour mixture bits by bits. At this point, I'm increasing the speed of the mixer. So now we stop the mixer, and then all these bits flour that catch in here, just push them out a bit, scrape down your side. Make sure you get everything inside incorporated properly. As you can see, become nice and smooth and fluffy. Look at that. So now it's time to pour it straight into your baking pan. So now I'm going to pour it evenly. So that should be all right for that one. So now it's time for him to go from the bowl straight to the oven. So stay tuned. See you in a minute. So now banana bread is out of the oven. So now I'm going to get the other one. And here is the next one. So out of that mixture I get 2 of them. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let it cool down, and I'll cut into it and show you what it looked like. So nice and spongy. Look at that. That's what you want. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to do like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. So now, as you can see, cake is ready and cool. So I'm just gonna take the greaseproof paper off and cut into it, show you what it's look like. Look at that. Nice and moist and fluffy. That's what you're looking for. I'm just going to take the first piece off here. Look at that. This is what you're looking for. This is a perfect banana bread. Look at that. So all you need with this is a nice cup of tea. So to accompany my banana bread, I have a nice cup of tea here. It's a jasmine tea, but you can choose a tea you want to have with it. But this is lovely and refreshing. You can use some mint tea. Ladies and gentlemen, Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Thank you for watching.